Hello there, let's learn how to multiply cells in Google Sheets. I have a table in my spreadsheet, and in this table we have a list of names and then months. Under each month are figures, and when you come down here you'll notice that our sums have already been worked out. Now I might want to multiply for some reason. Say I want to multiply the months for Apollo. I'll start by selecting a cell in which I want a formula to appear, and then I'll follow that with the equal sign. Once I press on the equal sign, Google begins to identify that I'm inputting a formula. So I'll go to the cell I want to multiply, click on it, and then follow that cell with the asterisk symbol. Now the asterisk symbol is the multiplication sign, and that identifies as a star on our keypads. So I'll select it by pressing on Shift star. Then I'll follow that with the next cell I want to multiply, and then again Shift star. Then follow that with the last cell I want to multiply and press enter. So that's our answer. So for me to get the rest of the answers, I do not have to keep inputting the formula. I will instead put my cursor in that cell where our answer is, then place my cursor at the right hand side corner of the cell. Once I achieve that cross, I'll come to my mouse, the left side, drag down to the bottom, and then release. So Google autofills the rest of the answers. I hope this was super easy. Thank you so much for watching. Please try it out and follow for more tips.